Hello everyone, today I have a review of another knife from the Czech company, Mikov. This time it's the OTF knife, model Raptor. Manufacturer leaflet. Total length is 19.7 centimeters, blade length is 8.1 centimeters, blade thickness is 2.9 millimeters. The steel of the blade is 440C, so quite good stainless steel, tempered between 57-59 HRC. A dagger blade type, but sharpened only on one side. Satin finish. The blade features the company name, Mikov, and the year of the establishment, 1794. Opening and closing with the switch button. The handle is made of silver aluminum. The logo and company are embossed on both sides. Blue anodized screws. A pocket clip without any motif. In summary, Mikov has produced OTFs before, and I think it's great that they have returned to this type of knife. I like the Mikov company, not only for its long tradition and history, but also for the diversity of the offer. Show me another European manufacturer that produces OTFs in their own country. There will be one, maybe two, and even from not so popular company. Opening and closing is downright addictive, and I love this sound. The black version of this knife with DP steel is also available. The mechanics are flawless. It hasn't jammed once, and I've been clicking around with it for a while now. Unassuming, but very good OTF knife. That's all in this review. Thanks for watching.